On Thursday, June 28th, in what was perhaps one of the most heavily anticipated court cases of the decade, the Supreme Court ruled that Obamacare is in fact constitutional. The most interesting twist was that the Supreme Court ruled the individual mandate is a tax. However, I still believe that Obamacare is unconstitutional. That being said, for 2 years, President Obama has vehemently denied that the individual mandate is a tax increase and promised not to increase taxes on the middle class. Instead, he just enacted what may be one of the largest tax increases in our history. He lied to the American people. In response to this deceptive labeling by the Obama administration, I introduced a constitutional amendment to ensure that taxes passed by Congress are labeled as such during the legislative process. The American people deserve to know the full intent of legislation passed by Congress. The Supreme Court's decision was a disaster for the American people and the American healthcare system. Instead of bloated government bureaucrats making our decisions, we need to repeal and replace Obamacare and come up with common sense ideas, such as promoting private sector competition by allowing individuals to buy health insurance across state lines, changing the tax treatment for individuals buying insurance, and passing medical malpractice reform, among many other things. This ruling has fortified my commitment to repeal this disastrous bill and replace it with real market-based reforms. My Republican House colleagues and I have supported more than 30 pieces of legislation to repeal Obamacare in whole or in part, and I've sponsored a couple bills of my own. You can bet that I will continue to fight every day for the full repeal of this government takeover of healthcare.